Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet effective way to engage with your friends on Instagram by replying to their stories from highlights. This updated method will help you connect and start conversations effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all the features available to you. Next, navigate to the profile of the person whose story you want to reply to. You can do this by tapping on their profile picture or searching for their username in the search bar. Once you're on their profile, you'll see various options and posts. Now look under their bio for the section that showcases their highlights. These are curated stories that they've chosen to keep visible on their profile. Tap on the highlight that contains the story you're interested in. This will open up a collection of stories that they've saved. Once you find the specific story you want to respond to, it's time to write your message. Look for the message icon or a text box at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can express your thoughts or share an emoji that resonates with what you saw in their story. Feel free to be creative and genuine in your response. Finally, once you're satisfied with your message, simply click send. Your reply will go directly to their inbox, allowing for an easy way to continue the conversation if they choose to respond. Remember, engaging with others through Instagram stories can strengthen your connections and bring a personal touch to your interactions. So next time you see a story that catches your eye, don't hesitate to reach out. That's all for today. Enjoy connecting with your friends on Instagram and have fun exploring their highlights.